So good day everyone. I am Leanne Itablang from BSEE 2. So for today we are going to talk about there are some ways to reduce floods. So the first one is the flood tunnel. Component of a flood management system usually found in built-up urban areas where there is no space for surface canals or storm channels. So this is an example of a tunnel. So, eto ay malaki ang nagiging tulong, lalo na kung ang isang lugar or isang bansa ay madalas na nagkakaroon ng floods. So, kung ang pinaka-surface nila ay wala silang space enough para mag shoulder ng floods. So, this is a good way para ma-minimize natin yung mga tubig sa ibabaw. So, ito ay ginagawa sa ilalim ng lupa. So, the second one is the diversion canal. It diverts all or a portion of the flow of a river from its natural course. It does not generally impound water in a reservoir. Instead, the water is diverted into an artificial water course. So, etong diversion canal, yung pinakadaluyan ng tubig, meron gagawin na diversion canal, which is yun doon dadaloy yung tubig. So, mag-change ng direction yung pinakatubig para mailihis doon sa mga bahay at mapunta sa open area. So, river dredging. It is the act of removing silt and other material from the bottom of bodies of water. As sand and silt washes downstream, sedimentation gradually fills channels and harbors. Dredging is the removal of sediments and debris from the bottom of lakes, rivers, harbors, and other water bodies. So, kung ang place ninyo ay walang enough na lugar para i-divert yung tubig, so, this is another way para yung tubig ay hindi makaapekto sa tao. So, kailangan gamitan ng dredging or yung paghukay doon sa lupa or sa ilog na pupwestuhan ng tubig. Flood walls. It is a primarily vertical, artificial barrier designed to temporarily contain the waters of a river or other waterway, which may rise to unusual levels during seasons. So, kapag may mga heavy rains, especially sa mga cities, or sa mga places na walang diversion canal or tunnel, flood walls is artificial barrier. So, pwedeng mag-create or maglagay ng pansamantalang barrier para yung tubig, especially kapag may heavy rains, ay maharangan or malimitahan at hindi makaapekto sa tao. So, this is an example of a wall. So, dito, makikita nyo sa picture na ito yung example ng barrier or artificial barrier. So, nakakatulong ito para yung tubig ay hindi pumunta doon. Just like here, merong heavy na tubig. Heavy yung tubig, and then ito ay pinaka yung street. So, as you can see, malaki yung naitutulong niya kasi hindi bumababa or hindi lumalagpas yung tubig dito sa may street, which is a good way para maiwasan natin yung floods. So, leaves. Embankment, flood bank, or stop bank is an elongated, naturally occurring ridge or artificially constructed field or wall that regulates water levels. It is usually earthen and is often parallel to the course of a river in its food or floodplain or along low-lying coasts. So, this is an example of leaves. Ito ay nakakatulong para sa mas malawak na lugar, makatulong siya para hindi kumalat yung tubig at para maiwasan yung floods. So, ano nga ba yung mga nagiging dahilan ng pagkakaroon ng floods? So, it is highly accelerated snowmelt, severe winds or overwater, unusual high tides, tsunamis, failure of the following sa dams natin, retention funds or other structure that retain the water, deforestation, and global warming. So, these are some of the causes of flooding na usually na nararanasan dito sa ating lugar. So, kapag ang isang lugar ay madalas na magputol ng puno or hindi na may maintain yung daluyan ng tubig sa kanila. So, there is magkakaroon ng floods, especially kapag may mga heavy rains. Flood control measure. So, control the water level. Kailangan, para makontrol natin yung water level, kailangan nating mag-build ng dams or i-check natin lagi yung dams, especially kapag tag-init. Build barriers. So, kailangan, ang isang lugar ay merong dike or flood walls. Meron din kailangan sila na seawalls at embankments. So, alter the river's channel. So, kailangan na gamitan nga natin, kagaya na sinabi ko kanina, is yung dredging, yung paghuhukay ng lupa. And then, yung widening. So, kailangan din natin ng diversion canal. So, control land use around rivers, build large floodways and sewers. So, pag alam naman natin na hindi siya pwedeng tayuan ng bahay at alam naman ninyo na hindi safe yung lugar, kailangan ay wag na ninyong puntahan pa kasi there is a big possibility na pagka nagkaroon ng heavy rains ay magkaroon ng heavy flash. So, that's all.